Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Meta Ads Manager with Canva for campaign creative, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Meta Ads Manager with Canva for your campaign creative, start by logging into your Meta Ads Manager account. Navigate to the campaign section where you want to create or edit an ad. Then, go to the Canva website and log into your Canva account. If you do not have a Canva account, create a free one by following the on-screen instructions. Next, return to your Meta Ads Manager. Click on the ad set where you want to create your ad. Select the option to create a new ad. Within the ad creation interface, locate the Creative section. Click on the Create Ad button or the corresponding option to begin creating your ad content. Now find the Add Media or Image/Video Upload section. Look for the option that says Create with Canva or Design with Canva. If prompted, allow Meta Ads Manager to access your Canva account. After granting access, Canva's design interface should appear within Meta Ads Manager. Use the provided templates to design your ad creatively. Customize images, text, and graphics as per your campaign requirements. Ensure your design adheres to Meta's ad guidelines for optimal performance. Once satisfied with your design, click the Publish or Save button within Canva. Your designed asset will then automatically be uploaded to your Meta Ads Manager. Now, review your ad preview to make sure everything looks perfect. You can further adjust any campaign settings as necessary. Finally, choose Publish to launch your campaign with the new creative from Canva. Congrats! You've successfully connected Meta Ads Manager with Canva for your campaign creative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.